guys, today I will talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Everand app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on account down here. When you just click here on account, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do, just click here on notification settings here. So then you come to next step here, click here on notification categories. Then you come to next step here, come here to on titles becoming available here. Click in this sign or this color, like you see color it's on here. That's mean on titles becoming available notifications disabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. Thank you for your watching.